In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize bank transfers in Freshbooks. Keeping your bank transfers properly categorized is really important for clean bookkeeping and accurate financial reports. It helps you avoid accidentally counting the same money twice as both income and expense, and it makes tax time a lot less stressful. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to mark a bank transfer the right way inside Freshbooks. First, log into your Freshbooks account and head over to the bank reconciliation section. This is where Freshbooks matches the transactions coming in from your bank with what's recorded in your books. If you're not sure where to find it, look for the area where you normally review or reconcile your bank transactions. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your imported bank activity. Next, you want to locate the specific bank transfer you're trying to categorize. You'll find it in the list of unreconciled bank transactions, which usually shows anything that hasn't been matched or categorized yet. Take your time here and double-check the date, amount, and description so you're selecting the correct transfer, especially if you have multiple similar amounts. Once you've found the right transaction, select it by checking the box next to it. This tells Freshbooks that this is the item you want to work with. If you have several transfers that all need the same treatment and they clearly belong together, you can select more than one, but if you're unsure, handle them one at a time to avoid mistakes. With the transaction selected, look for the Mark As option at the top of the list and choose Transfer. This step is key. By marking it as a transfer, you're telling Freshbooks that this is money moving between your own accounts, not new income and not a regular expense. That keeps your reports accurate and prevents double counting. At this point, you have the option to add details. You can type a short note about what this transfer was for, such as moving funds to savings, paying down a credit card, or transferring between currencies. Adding a clear note is really helpful if you or your accountant ever need to review this later, or if you're trying to understand your cash flow over time. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Submit to finish. Freshbooks will save your changes and categorize that transaction as a transfer. If you still see it listed as unreconciled, refresh the page or review the filters to make sure everything updated correctly. That's it. You've successfully categorized a bank transfer in Freshbooks.